this packaged drinking water plant. First, this is the raw water tank. From this tank, water comes to these vessels. First, we are using multigrade sun filter. Second, we are using German technology filtration media. Third, we are using activated carbon. Fourth, we are using USA based filter media. This is called alkaline media. Then ultra filtration technology is there, 20,000 liter per hour. Then water store this tank, 15,000 liter tank. This is the RO technology filtration, 10,000 liter per hour. Then water comes to this SS304 tanks. This is ozone mixing tank. Then water will comes to these filling machines. This is the filling machine, 120 bpm filling machine. Then this way, this is the auto labeler. In this machines, labeling machines called. Then this is shrink wrapping machines, fully automatic shrink wrapping machines. This all machinery supplied by Apex Technology, Siliguri Hakimpara, to rail neer projects at Kota, Rajasthan. More detail about our industry, about our products, visit us www.apextechnology.co.in. This is the paid blow molding machines, fully automatic, 5,400